In this week's episode, the drone nearly crashes into a tree, we visit Blackpool Tower, and we sleep in a car park. Off we go to Blackpool. Just had our first pee stop. Not long now till we're in Blackpool, so I've got 3.7 miles to go. We're all excited. We're in Blackpool just for one night tonight, and Rob's found us a car park to stay in, so we're slumming it tonight. It should be fun. Okay, a park up. And we're going to go and have a look at the Illuminations, take Miles to go and see the lights, have some fish and chips, and just enjoy Blackpool for the night. Plenty of room, darling, plenty of room.
Well, for 11 quid, 2 bits of fish and a load of sauce, sorry, a load of chips, pretty good.
Yummy.
I'm not going to risk staying here tonight. It says it's closed, even though there is a number of other vans here. So we're going to get packed up and move to where it suggests.
We're off to Coniston in the Lake District. Can't wait actually to get there because I'm going to do some swimming. It's going to be bloody cold, but I'm looking forward to it. Rob's bought me all my gear, my booties, my hat, my wetsuit, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm sure he'll just be stood there laughing his head off at me.
nice is this, darling?
Beautiful. Sorry, I was just faffing.
Little walk to Coniston, the campsite. Going on with the big camera. What do you think's on here?
Gorgeous.
Oh, nice. How are you finding it, babe? In your element, although a bit warm. Are you okay now? Yeah.
This is when the buffoon realized he'd messed up.
How's that? Put your hair up, darling. If you want, because you only need to get it down to you. You're going to get it wet. Nice. Cold. Go on, gal. Ah, Alex. I slipped off the rock, my feet are bloody soaking. Shit.